A Bay Area church is just about ready to reveal some much-awaited improvements. St. Joseph's Catholic Church in West Tampa overcame testing obstacles. And as I learned by talking to priests and parishioners there, it's rebuilding physically and spiritually. After more than 20 years of staring at blank walls inside St. Joseph's Church, parishioner Aldo Suarez tells me his prayers were answered.
My prayer, every day say, I want to decorate that. I want paint like Michelangelo,
The painter has held exhibitions in Havana and the U.S., but this may be his most important work yet. It's his contribution to a nearly 2-year healing process. In 2014, NewsChannel 8 told you about the troubled times at this temple. The then pastor committed suicide after some $200,000 disappeared from church coffers. Money intended in part for much-needed repairs and improvements. People were hurt by that.
Deeply. They were deeply hurt by that. But you know what? We're in a healing phase, a renewal phase where good things are happening.
Good things like volunteers, landscaping, and painting the church exterior.
It brings our community together, and it's love.
And now the finishing touches of Suarez's altar mural, his interpretation of the great multitude passage from the book of Revelations, a group as diverse as St. Joseph's own parishioners praising God after experiencing tribulations.
My painting is not mine now. My painting is now the painting for St. Joseph.
A big reveal scheduled for Palm Sunday this year. That happens March 20th. But regardless of your faith, it goes to show the great things that you can do when you get together in community, right?
Sure. And I think a lot of people do believe that during dark times, the only thing that you can do is keep moving forward, trying to stay positive. And that's what these folks did.
Pull together.